Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all well. A new interesting video for you today, because we do lots of our audio upgrades and head unit upgrades and other such things. But this 2025 Westfalia Fiat Ducato came to us a few weeks ago for the first part of the installation and has come back today for us to finish it off, because at the time we thought that we had a long enough cable at 10 meters, but it wasn't long enough, so we needed to order the other cable, which was ridiculously long at 20 meters, but it's the only one that Thinkware do. Now, we have fitted the Thinkware F for Foxtrot 790 DVR front camera, so it's a dash camera fitted at the front that does the usual front-facing recording. We've then connected it to a multiplexer box. So if I'm talking double Dutch to you, don't worry, we'll talk about that in a second. We've connected it to a multiplexer box and used the video out aspect to connect the external rear camera, which come around and we'll show you. This external rear camera has got infrared or night vision LEDs, so that the night vision LEDs will give you much better camera light output at 0 or very low lux levels. It's a shame that they don't do it in black, but it's sort of appealing for multi-use, otherwise they'd have to bring multiple colours out on the market. Now, this particular camera, rather than actually drill holes in either of the barn doors, we went for the neatest solution, and that was on top of the high-level brake light unit. This vehicle's already got a factory-fitted camera, so that's the Thinkware camera at the top there. Cabling has been run along and down as we would normally, using plastic Copex, run all the way along to the front, and then we've connected it up to a dash-mounted 7-inch monitor. But why this particular job is more interesting is because this customer wants to keep an eye on what his young children are doing sat at the back while he's driving without taking his eyes off the road. So we have fitted one of the little mini infrared cameras on the B pillar section, so that he can then also on his monitor view what the children are doing, rather than look behind and, you know, you're in a killing machine, and that's what we want to try to promote, is driver safety. So what we do is we'll jump inside, have a look at the monitor and the two cameras, but at least you can see what the external rear camera looks like. It's not as discreet and neat as a normal reversing camera. This is a camera that is IP rated, so waterproof, weatherproof, and it is then mounted up on the top there to do its job nicely. So that's it, job done. You can see down here for when he's got a trailer on board or towing something, but also see behind it's also being recorded. So, next stage. So now sat in the front driver's seat, this is the 7-inch dash mounted monitor as per customer's request. And what we've done using the Thinkware multiplexer box. So a multiplexer box is a device that allows you to connect multiple cameras and have multiple views. So right now we've chosen interior camera and rear camera, landscape, landscape. You could have portrait, portrait. So this image would be vertical, and this image here would be on the right vertical. Or if you had more cameras, you could have one landscape and two vertical, which means that they would be small rectangles here. Or you could have all four rectangles, so you've got picture, 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 or you could just have 1, 2 and 3. So it's up to you how you do it. We're only setting it up on this particular vehicle with 2 cameras. Now this is all connected to its main command unit, which is the F790 front dash camera. Going to appear up on the screen now. Now you have to have that because that is what is recording. onto the SD card, and it's the powerhouse for what we're about to see on here, or what we can see on here. Now, the reason why you don't really need what the front camera is seeing, because you're sat in the driver's seat, you can see what the front camera is seeing. So therefore, it's only these two that are priority to you. Now, the customer here, just so you can make it out, this is the rear camera that we've just talked about, and it's set as low down as possible so that customer can see behind. There is no other way of viewing this screen. You can't go through the different modes here and see it full screen because of how the Thinkware multiplexer box works. But then you've got the top camera. This is a little tiny, it's probably no bigger than my thumb, a little bit fatter, and that is the infrared camera from Thinkware. I think it's the MB100. Now, the device itself has little infrared LEDs on there that allow you to still see a clear image at night when the lux is reduced or you're in nighttime mode. And he wants to be able to see his children here. So child number 1 is in a car seat here, not today obviously, and child number 2, when it comes along, is then going to be sat in a car seat here. So he can safely see what is going on with his children without stopping the vehicle or turning around, and therefore being nice and safe on the road. So this is the 7-inch monitor. These are the 2 cameras, all connected to the F790 Pro DVR system and all being recorded. So a nice little interesting one for you, because we've done lots and lots of other videos, but having a dash camera one that is quite bespoke to customers' needs is important for us as well, just to show you the other things that we do. And also Thinkware as a range. We've been with Thinkware now for 8 years, absolutely cracking bit of kit, comes with 2 years warranty, peace of mind, fit and forget, and great because you can connect your dash camera to an app on your phone. It comes with speed camera features, i.e. the fixed ones, and then the mobile ones, or known mobile locations. So if you're interested to know a bit more about dash cameras, then do get in touch with us, because there's a couple on our website, but we mainly fit the front Thinkware Q850. On some vehicles we can do the front and rear, but not really on vehicles like this because of the length of cable. The only reason we've been able to fit an external rear camera on this one is 1, because it's external, and 2, because it comes with a 20-meter lead that we've then got rid of the slack in the step underneath. So if you're interested in any of the products we've discussed or shown you in the video today, please do get in touch with us. Contact form is on our website. Can't offer any details or prices over the phone because it's just too specialist, too bespoke, but please do get in touch with us. If you don't subscribe to our channel already, then do so. We've got loads of really interesting videos and content, how-to videos, as well as other new tech and new kit that we're fitting. And also follow us on social media, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.